Pigs and Birds cast in round 6, episode 2, a modern killer. Wait. Wait, Ruby? Hello, Rand? Wait, Ruby, what are you doing? You're the August families. How you came there? Nope. I live visited by revenge teenage. Leave him alone. Oh, leave him alone. Okay, I leave him. Wait, what the? Beep. Wait, how is alive? This huh? I want to destroy the never. I know what. You could just turn it down. You did turn the ruin that. What? It's the door? Oh, come on. Wait, I can't see it. I can't. I never really get there. God, just get it done. I get her out. You think you saw the pop? I get her. Oh, please, please, please. Wait, I want to turn the lights are green. Lights green. Okay, lights green. What? Listen, you're not gonna be in. If the lights green is that I like the trees all the time. Don't. Yes. Oh, that's right. Yeah. I saw it. Yeah. Yes. Go, run the door. What the heck is happening? What the heck did you get the dream? Where they go around to the spot for us? You do your home to get stirred up. God, not again. No, again. Yeah. You gotta do this. What? What's going on in here? What's that? Oh? Stop the nice noise. Right. Huh? Oh. Alright, anyways, let's go to the next game. Oh, what's that? The game is Tug of War. The game is Tug of War. And the order this thing over here. And I do her once, and then it by her, and then it's supposed to hand. And then you know, yeah, you know not. Okay, right. Okay, really gonna shoot it. Let's go. Oh, really? Isn't like this? Huh? Well, it's like this. You get that horror? Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah. Yeah. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Alright. No! No, it's falling! Ah! Oops. Oh no, still. Oh, do it. Now. Alright, we win. Haha. Wait, it's actually just me? Yes. We're gonna hold. Ha ha ha. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Full speed. Full speed. Yo. Now. I have full speed. Goodbye, guys. Alright. Is really all of you? Yes. Yes. Okay. And then you get to these points. A jolly card. You gotta stay a 3 minutes on that room. Alright. Have a night. Around here, on the way to get doors open. The high, but the either got horses in. Or I get the sun and horror. My door. I can't see a spoon. I be a fan. The horror boat, and everyone is dying. Everyone is dying. And I don't know this. Together we get ahead. Okay, together we the time. We're not yet round 5. Yeah? Yes. Okay. How we get the whole set? Because you don't know the other nothing time. Okay. Right. Have a nice night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Later, under Haunty's on the room. What the? Where are you? You're in the service or altered. Wait, where's the toy? Huh? Sorry, boy. I really not. I get to her on. How I sit take her. Alright, that's it. Ugh. What? The oh. And then he get her canals. Oh, come on, man. He's sucking the time lost. And the next time. Next literal. I will give him the dark side. And then I had my new weapon. With my new weapon, I will revenge on not myself. Now the Harry Potter hammer. I always will soon. To be continued.